Hey, welcome back to the HealthBuddy Meditation Challenge. This is day 7. I'm your host Mark Slight, and you should just be getting used to the practice now if you've been doing this consistently for the last 6 days. And hopefully we're starting to bring a little bit of calm into your life just by going through this very basic, very simple meditation techniques. Oscar's decided to not come with me today. He's decided not to be in the video today, but that's good. I'm still super relaxed today. We're going to just revisit a little bit of what we done yesterday. We talked about stressful situations yesterday, and we're just going to talk about that again today. So just get yourself comfortable. I'm just feeling my legs there, just feeling a little bit of tension. Just allowing myself to do what I need to do, allowing my body to do what it needs to do, and just sitting comfortably. There's really no rules and regulations as to how we sit. Just feel comfortable. Beginning as we always do, just with our breath. I always shut my eyes a little bit prematurely. That first breath just relaxes me so much. So I'm going to allow you to do the same today. Just close your eyes as and when you feel you want to. It really is that quick for me, that first breath in. And just on that out breath, I just want to close my eyes and sink into the meditation. It comes with practice. You will feel the same. And yesterday we talked a lot about stress and relieving stress and tension. And not only whilst we're sitting here, not only whilst we're in this meditation, but also in our daily lives. We can cultivate a very good life for ourselves, and we can surround ourselves with positive people, happy people, like-minded people. But it's incredibly rare that life will be peaceful and easy and calm 100% of the time. There'll always be stressful situations, and as I said yesterday, it's not the situation that defines us, it's our reaction to the situation. The situation does not make a man, but his reaction defines him. And we cannot choose the situations that come up in our life. It's not always up to us if someone crashes into our car. It's not up to us if someone decides to be aggressive in a supermarket. The only thing we can control is our reaction to that situation. And for me, my way of looking at things is if I cannot change the situation, if I can have no impact on it, then there's no point me getting stressed about it. On the other side, if I can impact it and I can make a change and I can do something about the situation, then I should do. And therefore there's no reason for me to get stressed about it because it's in my control. So there really is no need for stress in your life. But that being said, there are days when, much like meditation, one day it will work really well. You might have 4 or 5 really good meditations and you think, I've cracked this, I'm doing well, I understand what I'm doing, I'm calm, I'm peaceful, my life is good. And then you'll sit back into another meditation and you just won't be able to stop your thoughts, you'll be cloudy, you'll be frustrated because you can't clear your thoughts, and it turns out to be a really bad meditation in your eyes, and you think, oh my God, I can't do this, I'm not very good at this, I'm not as good as I thought I was. And we're not looking to judge ourselves. There will be good and bad meditations. Well, there is no bad meditations, but good and bad in our own eyes can differ from person to person. Some will be peaceful, some will not. Some will you'll be calm and relaxed and detached from the world. Other times in a meditation, People will come in and interrupt you, and you'll find it very hard to break away from the outside noise. As I sit here talking to you now, I hope you can't hear it, but Oscar's decided to have a wash about a metre in front of me, and some days that can really distract me. Today it's not. Today I got my eyes shut, but I know exactly what he's doing. I can visualise him doing it, and it's fine. Today it's peaceful. Some days it might not be so much. And it's the same with the situation in life. Some days we can deal with the big queue at the supermarket. It doesn't affect us. We can take a big deep breath in, big breath out, and it's fine. We'll get to the front soon. We'll soon pay for our shopping and we'll soon be gone. It's fine. Other days, that's a massive cause for frustration, and we can't find an element of calm, and we might want to chop and change from one queue to another, from a long queue to a short queue because we're feeling impatient, and that's fine. There's no judgment there. We're not trying to live a perfect life. We're just trying to negotiate our way through life in the best way possible. And that means dealing with emotions. That means understanding emotions. And understanding that not every situation is perfect, and not every day is perfect. But we'll get through every day. And we're just aiming to get through it the best way we know how. But if you take anything away from these meditations, I'd like to take away the judgment. The judgment of others, the judgment of yourself, the judgment of situations, or the judgment where you feel that you're not dealing with things very well. As I say, some days we do, some days we don't. That's just life. But hopefully with the practice of meditation, you'll deal well with more days than you will deal badly with others, if that makes sense. You'll have more good days than bad days. And remember, you can always come back to your breath. And much like we said yesterday, just have a big deep breath in and exhale that tension. And when you exhale, just allow a little bit of a smile to come across your face. It's not about trying to be happy, it's about a little knowing inside you that you've just exhaled all your tension. There could be someone shouting at you right in front of you, and you could just exhale and smile, and just, that's fine. That's fine. If you wish to shout at me, that is fine, that is your decision. I am not going to react to this. I am calm, I'm at peace, and I'm just going to walk away. And that little smile on your out breath, it's just a little knowing inside you that you're calm and peaceful, and you can deal with anything today. So as you open your eyes gently now and you bring yourself back to the room, have that confidence and that knowing that when you go out in the world, you can just have that inner smile, and you can breathe in and you can breathe out with that smile, knowing that you are better equipped to deal with life struggles today. Let's go and put that into practice now. But let's also make sure we come back for day 8 tomorrow. And I'll see you here as we continue our little journey throughout this 10 days of meditation.